Question number 26. The half-life of a radioactive nuclide is 15 minutes. T is given here. The initial count rate observed from a pure source of nuclide is 580. N0 is given. The average background count rate is 20. NB is given. Decay products are stable. What is the observed count rate 1 hour after the initial observation? 1 hour means what? After 4 half-lives. After 4 half-lives. So what I should do is first is that I will take N0, which is 580, and subtract this 20 from here. So which means the affected, subtracting this one, which should be 580 minus 20, which should be equal to 560, which is a real count. Okay. Now this number of nuclei, 560, after one half-life, it become 280. After second half-life, it becomes 140. After third half-life, it becomes 70. After fourth half-life, it becomes 35. Now, in each of these calculations also you observe there is definitely a background count which is already there. Okay. If you ask me what is the total count rate, okay, after first half-life, I am going to add plus 20 over here. So, which means I am going to add in everything like this over here. Everything like this over here. So, after 4 half-lives, what is the background now? This should be 55. 30 plus 20. Thus, the correct answer is B over here.